This look is a Bohemian Passion Twist style with a crisscross Fulani inspired front design using darling Bohemian Passion Twist hair. We started with clean, moisturized and stretched hair, then sectioned the front and the back. In the front, we create a crisscross rubber band pattern. This adds stylish, detailed look and really makes the hairstyle stand out. Moving to the back, we create a clean box part and start out knotless braiding using darling Bohemian Passion Twist hair. After braiding a few inches down, we transition into twisting all the way to the end. For this look, we keep it fully twisted with no curls left out, giving it a more uniform but still soft finish. Darling Bohemian Passion Twist hair is great because it gives texture and volume while being lightweight. It's perfect for styles that need both structure and a bit of flair. To finish, we blended the front seamlessly into the twist, applied mousse to set the style, laid the edges and oiled the scalp. This look is perfect for clients who want something bold, trendy, a mix of detailed styling with soft twist finish.